Happy New Year! This is your monthly roundup of Northern Irish tech and startup news, powered by RealTime Recruitment. In what has been a turbulent last 12 months, we look forward and not back, with a number of tech industry predictions for the year ahead from leading figures in the Northern Ireland tech industry.
The biggest software engineering trends that I can see continuing throughout 2021 will be the shift towards open source, cross-platform frameworks like .NET Core, as opposed to traditional Windows development. Throughout 2020, I've continued to see a lot of companies move in the direction of open source frameworks. And it's not just purely a cost decision. I mean, the flexibility, adaptability, and scalability the companies are getting when it comes to building new applications in open source frameworks are unparalleled. That's definitely a trend I can see continuing throughout next year.
In 2021, we will see the rise of the TikTok influencer, with TikTok further enabling and encouraging creators and brands to produce sponsored content on the platform. Because of this, we will see much more branded content rolled out across TikTok in the new year, with brands investing more and more heavily in the platform, even more so than on previous social media superstar Instagram.
Hi folks, Jonathan Sinclair, VP of Engineering at Highroads. My top prediction for 2021 is reflecting on the increasing growth of cloud computing. Therefore this year I think we'll see an increased adoption of managed services such as AI and deep learning that aim to provide value-added benefit out of the box. And due to the recent globalization and remote working nature of all our businesses, this includes, more importantly, edge computing, bringing compute processing and storage closer to our end users. Many thanks, Happy New Year.
Back to Claire Nixon, IT Recruitment Manager from RealTime Recruitment at the flexible workspace Urban HQ.
In key jobs and expansion news,
Belfast-based telecoms company Barclays Communication celebrated a new £3 million contract with the University of Cambridge. Octo Technologies announced 20 new jobs in its Lisbon office. Tech company Kainos created 137 jobs in the US city of Atlanta. And Liberty IT is to create 150 new tech roles. Back to tech predictions in minutes.
but first, here's some of the latest NI tech stories to hit the headlines.
11 Northern Irish companies made it onto the Irish Deloitte Technology Fast 50 listing for 2020. Logan-based GCD was awarded the Streaming App of the Year at the UK App Awards. Buddy-based Elemental, Esther, Salazar and SureCert have been selected to represent Northern Ireland in Tech Nation's Rising Stars 3.0. Sunrise Analytics and Genome Diagnostics bagged awards at Intertrade Ireland's Seed Corn competition. The newly launched Belfast-based Hill Street Hatch will offer hospitality entrepreneurs and creators space to develop and test new hospitality startup concepts. And Hill Street Hatch was one of 20 startups this week selected for Ignite NI's latest pre-accelerator Propel program. Congrats to all the chosen teams. Talking programs, NI Screen reopened the next round of its 60k platform game development accelerator program. Applications are due by January the 29th. And the 40k Innovation and Outreach Fund via the Northern Ireland Finance Department is to encourage the use of open data. Applications are currently open. And a big congratulations to Belfast-based firm Engenius, I hope I'm saying that right, who have been accepted to take part in Techstars Boston program. Digital DNA released a super magazine to showcase 50 top NI tech companies that you need to know about. And finally, but not least, Belfast-based TAP SOS has been announced as the Northern Ireland regional winner of the Super Connected for Good competition.
The big trend for 2021 will be online. We see some great opportunity for startups and investors to connect online, use online platforms and online pitching events to find more deals and connect with better startups. We are running RemoteMe on Thursday the 21st of January and we welcome new angels to come along and see some great startups pitch. See you then.
So in 2021, I think we're really going to see teams start to utilise like the serverless model and serverless way of thinking for much more specialist use cases now. So where previously you might have had things like standalone database servers, you might need something like Fauna that's purely serverless, where you might have had like CI/CD servers, like GitHub Actions is basically the serverless model applied to CI/CD. You might have done image processing before. You'll be happier panning that off to another service that deals with that and reap the rewards become.
2021, I can certainly see more companies and candidates moving towards modern languages like Golang. I suppose in particular with Golang being an open source programming language, it encompasses everything you need, therefore reducing time and cost. It's relatively easy to pick up, especially if you come from a Java or a C background, and it really offers greater simplicity and productivity as well. And in particular, we're seeing Golang really being embraced within the fintech space.
This has been your latest roundup with Northern Irish tech and startup news powered by RealTime Recruitment. Until next time.